Good morning! It is raining and foggy, but I still thought I'd bring you guys on an adventure. Come on. Okay, I just had a really great idea. We're just around the corner from a huge waterfall that I haven't been to in a really long time. So I think I'm actually gonna take you guys there and see what the waterfall looks like in the fog. Let's go. Okay guys, we are here and it's time to go see that waterfall.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast, and every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars. Baby, while we're young.
enjoyed this as much as I did. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification button down below so you don't miss my videos in the future. You can expect to see more videos like this on my channel about adventure, epic travels from around the world, lifestyle tips and tricks, and more. I also have a shop coming your way this Wednesday, so don't forget to stay tuned. I'll see you soon. Bye!